There, Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, Dekalb, Illinois. Hey, check this out. 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan, white in color, nice alloy wheels. Looks like you got some rails up on top, not a rack, but you can put a rack across. Makes it a lot easier. We got keyless entry into the car. Trunk, we can unlock that with this remote. Now you just got to find the button. Good room back here. You got nice rubber floor mats that'll come with the car. Cargo net. Got tonneau cover, which will come out, and those seats will fold down too. So, backup camera, all-wheel drive, 4Motion they call it on the Volkswagen. Clean auto check. It's a one-owner car. It's all set up, ready to go. We've checked it out in service. Good room back here, nice neutral leather, good, sleek dash line, AM, FM, CD. Backup camera shows up there too. There's your climate control for your heat and air, heated front seats, auto shift, cup holders, menu and radio controls on the steering wheel along with Bluetooth, cruise control, power windows, door locks, mirrors, nice analog gauges. Nice car, nice SUV. You know what it's missing? You need to get down here and buy this one. Hey, check out pictures at tomsparks.com. Don't forget to ask for Brad, and thanks for watching.